Peace and blessings, beautiful people. My name is Abril, your resident herbalist, and welcome back to my channel, Beauty, Herbs, and Tea, where we talk about all things tea, herbs, and resources to help you start and make money in your business. So yes, you have read the title, y'all. Today we are going to talk about money. These videos seem to do, pretty well when I talk about how to make money here on my channel. And I don't mind talking about money. Money seems to be such a taboo in the business space. People don't want to tell you how much they make. They want to keep it a secret how they make money. You all know I'm very transparent here. My goal is to help you make money, whether you have a tea business, you're selling shea butter, yoni steams, candles, whatever herbal product you sell. My goal is to help you all make money. I am doing a free webinar for you all to help make you money in your business. This is my first webinar in my herbal business one-on-one series, where I teach you everything about herbal business to get you started and up and running. This free webinar is called Herbal Business One-on-One, How to Define Your Brand and Start Making Sales. And in this webinar, you will learn exactly what products to sell to make you money. It will help you niche down. It will help you learn what services to offer to find your target audience and make money in your business. So if you are a business that is struggling to make money, if you're struggling with your branding, you're struggling with your niche, and you don't know what to do. You're kind of stuck because you have not niched down and you're not sure which products to sell, make sure to come to this webinar. I'm also doing a series of free classes, y'all. Yes, I posted over on my community tab about free classes. Make sure to head over there to see the post. I will post a link to sign up for the free webinar. So this video, we're going to talk about how to make money on Instagram. The top 7 ways that you can make money on Instagram. Now, some of these I have tried, some of these I have not tried, but I am going to try in the future. So I wanted to give you all the information so you can decide which ones will work best for you and your business. Now, unfortunately, I am both an entrepreneur and a content creator. If you are in this entrepreneur space, you will probably also be a content creator as well. You will be advertising your products on Instagram using videos, reels, posts, lives, everything. So why not get a little bit extra money while you are content creating for your business? So let's go ahead and get into the top 7 ways that you can earn money on Instagram. So the first way that you can earn money on Instagram is going to be badges. Now, if you're not familiar with badges are like tips. They're cash tips that people can give you in your lives. They range from like $1 to up to $5, I believe. I have used this feature. People have donated or tipped me money when I went live before. And if you are someone who frequently goes live on your channel, this is not YouTube, on your Instagram page, then you can enable badges, and that is a way that you can earn extra income. I mean, if you go live, there's people that go live on YouTube, for example, and they get like thousands of dollars in super chats. That's what Instagram calls it, in super chats. And that's a good way to supplement your income. So I say, hey, do it on Instagram. It's not as much money that you can make as, with a YouTube channel, but it's something, something is better than nothing. $5 here or there, I'll take it. That's gas money. Okay. That's gas money. So yes, Instagram badges is a way that you can earn additional money. Now, there are requirements. I do believe that you have to have a professional account, so a creator account or some kind of professional account, as well as 10,000 followers. So they do put some, qualifications on it. But that is a way that you can make extra money. The next way I have also participated in is the Instagram bonuses. Now, bonuses, I believe the one that I did was for the Instagram Reel bonuses. I believe that the other bonuses programs have went away. They may come back. I have no idea. Instagram changed things like every month. But I participated in Instagram Reel bonuses. Now, what Reel bonuses are is Instagram launched, I think it was kind of like a trial launch where they invited select creators to participate in the Instagram Reel bonus program. What that means is Instagram will actually pay you money to make reels. Now, they do have a certain caveat on it. You do have to reach a certain reel quota by the end of the month, and it has to have a certain amount of views. They will pay you anywhere from a couple $100s to some people were making $20,000, $30,000. But I believe they're still going. If they're not still going, then they're probably going to launch it again. So they try things out, you know, like a trial, a sort of like a beta launch, and then the way Instagram works is they then later on, like maybe in some months, they bring it back so that everyone can use it. So stay on the lookout for that. All right, so the next way that you can make money on Instagram is, I forgot. Hold on. Let me check my notes, y'all. I wrote everything down so I wouldn't forget. Okay, we did badges, bonuses, sponsorships. Yes, sponsorships and brand deals. Now, I will say that I have not used this yet. I have not done a sponsored video yet, just because of the same reason why I didn't like doing the Instagram bonuses. And that's because you are working for somebody else. You're working for that brand. And so you do have certain deadlines to meet, certain qualifications. And I just didn't like that. I, again, like marching to the beat of my own drum. I like doing things on my time, and I didn't quit my 9 to 5 to answer to other people. But I am getting so many requests from brands to do brand deals. The way they've been finding me, actually, I have not went out and sought anybody. I've been getting a lot of emails from people asking me to partner with them. Now, the money hasn't been right. If the money is right, then I might just do it. I mean, you want to give me $100,000 to advertise your product? Come on over here. But yes, that is a way to make extra money on Instagram. I am compiling a list of different sites you can go to find brand deals. That will be in another video, so stay tuned for that. If you are a channel, if you are a Instagram, or you have a YouTube and you want to start getting brand deals, honestly, you can start getting brand deals and sponsorships with a small following. Micro influencers, if you have like 5,000 to 10,000 followers, that's considered a micro influencer, and you can get brand deals as a micro influencer, whether on Instagram and YouTube. So we have brand deals, and then the next way is affiliate links. Affiliate links means that you get a link from a different company. Let's just say Amazon. You are talking about Amazon's products and your videos, and Amazon gives you a special link where your audience can go and buy that product, and you post it, and then you make a commission based off of the clicks and based off of the purchases that people use with your actual link. People have reached out to me to become affiliates for their brand. I recently was an affiliate for the Herbal Entrepreneur Conference, which was great. So I was able to make a little bit extra income. Everyone who signed up for the conference, I did get, you know, a little extra bonus from that. Someone just reached out to me for another affiliate opportunity with the idea of making an additional $10,000 to $20,000 based off of their program. So yes, there's a lot of opportunity for you to make some decent money using affiliates, whether it's honestly an extra $500 a month or an extra $10,000 or $20,000 a month. You can make a decent money based off of affiliate links. Now, the next way that you can make money on Instagram is by selling a physical product. Now, of course, this seems like a no-brainer. I have looked at some of y'all's Instagrams, and I am amazed at the amount of opportunities you all are leaving on the table to sell and advertise your products. You can also use Instagram Shop. You can sell your products directly from Instagram. Just a note that if you do sell any herbal products, it is hard to get those approved. Y'all, they decided to do yard work while I'm filming. Can y'all hear that? I hope y'all cannot hear that. Let me yell. Hopefully I can edit out the background. This is so annoying. Ugh. All right, y'all, I'm back. I had to go and talk to my landscaper outside. He's out there cutting the grass, and I had to tell him, you know, just give me 5 minutes and I'll be done. Y'all can start back up. But yes, what was I talking about? I was talking about shops. Yes, you can use Instagram shops to sell your products, but if you do have a product, an herbal product, it is hard to get herbal products approved. You basically can't say anything. You just gotta say the herb and the name of your product. Sometimes even the name of the product, if it includes certain trigger words, it will trigger the algorithm and they will block your products. There is a way around it. You just have to be really crafty, shall I say. So that's the only downside with herbs. You literally can't say anything. You can't say anything about health, wellness. You can't say any body parts. You can't do nothing, y'all. You just gotta say peppermint. That's it. So that's the only downside with selling online. I recommend using Shopify. I need to get a Shopify affiliate link because I, shop them out a lot. Shopify and Amazon. But I recommend a Shopify site. Put it on your Instagram, link it there. All right, let's get to the next thing. The next way you can make money on Instagram is by selling digital products. So with a digital product, honestly, this is an extremely lucrative way to make money on Instagram. I actually think selling a digital product is easier and you can make way more money than selling physical products on Instagram. So a digital product can be an ebook. It can be any kind of PDF download. It can be a course. It can be anything that someone can get instant access to and you do not have to ship it to them. This, honestly, there's such an untapped space for this. People are not utilizing this. It amazes me because passive income is amazing, okay? It is the real deal. People are out here making millions of dollars off of passive income using digital products. So if you like food and you talk about alkaline foods and you make alkaline foods on your Instagram page, do an alkaline food ebook with 10 alkaline recipes. If you are a herbalist and you make herbal products, make an ebook with your, teaching people how to make your favorite or your top herbal products. If you are someone who does yoni steams and you're proficient in it, you're an expert in it and trained in it, okay, not just one of these, DIY yoni steamer persons. I have problems with people who just encourage people to put anything up their personal parts without doing proper research. But if you are someone who is trained in yoni steaming, then you can offer a digital product to teach someone. It does not take a long time. You can literally do this. It'll take you a day, put it on your website, and it will help you make an extra $2, $3, $4, $5, even $10,000 on your Instagram. I will also be coming out with a video as well to talk more about digital products and how you can make a digital product for your herbal business. The last way, it's kind of an honorary mention because I do not think that it is out, it's launched yet to the masses. Kind of like the badges for the reels, the bonuses, for the Instagram reels. I don't think that's launched yet for everyone. But the last way is subscriptions. So Instagram is trying to be like YouTube, y'all. And Instagram is offering subscriptions for Instagram, just like YouTube, where people can pay a monthly fee, not a fee, but I guess a monthly rate to access exclusive stories from you and exclusive content. Now, they did do a subscription trial run earlier this year. They might still have it going on, I'm not sure, but they did invite select Instagram accounts. Mine wasn't invited. I wasn't popping back then. But they did invite select accounts to participate in this. And now this should be launched out to the masses, hopefully by November. That is what I'm seeing online. And I think that'll be dope because you won't have to utilize Patreon. It's just like Patreon, honestly. You won't have to utilize that. I did have a Patreon and it was just too hard. It was too hard to keep up, to make content for YouTube, to make content for my 3 Instagram pages, and then make separate content for Patreon. Y'all, I had to let it go. I had to let it go. So yes, that is 7 ways that you can make extra money on your Instagram. Comment down below if you have tried any of these things in your business or which one that you're excited about trying. Let me know in the comments. As well as let me know in the comments if you like these videos. Actually, thumbs up this video if you like these type of how to make money videos.
As always, if you would like to learn more about tea, herbs, and how to start your herbal business, make sure to check out my school, the Tea Business School, where I have courses such as my Mastering Tea Blending and Formulation course and my Herbal Business Assistant course.
And always make sure to check the description box. We are still going on the Indigenous Herbal Retreat. We do still have a few spots left, as well as any of my courses. All of my courses will be in the description box. All right, you all, that is all I have for you today. Make sure to stay safe, stay healthy, and stay blessed. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Bye.